to my vlog. Today's video, we will bake a brownies. So this one is Hershey's Triple Chocolate. So first, let's put the brownie into the bowl. And then next, we will put 2 pairs of spoons waters into the bowl. Next, 1 cup of vegetable oil.
1/2 cup.
1/2 cup. And the next, 2 eggs of eggs. So let's pour it into the bowl. Next up, let's mix.
Go.
So guys, we'll mix it and then
Go.
okay guys, okay, let's mix it. If I'm done with mixing it, let's put it in the we'll bake it oven. So, sorry Teacher Lian, kay absent ko kay I will bake some brownies and kung I will go to the school, I will taste my brownies. After this, guys, we will put this in the oven and then we will bake for it.
Baking fun.
Haway na ini guys kung mag-bake o brownies. Haway dyan kaayo guys. Ika, haway.
Net?
Mami Met, abanga sagod ko dari Mami Met na si Mayabo.
Sure! Oh, hello guys! Kini ang inyong nabandera, kini yung kusinera sa Inday Shelo. Ang kahumot sa ilog, muwi mo palami sa iyong gibake ka brownies. is this? Okay, you get the candy. Okay, come on, let's pour it in.
Go.
Guys, ang atong brownie is ready to bake na. Atong unsa na to ate?
Iyabo.
Yabo na nato sa tong baking pan.
Nathan, hotbed.
Lami kay guys, humot kay siya guys. Humot pa siya sa akong ilok guys. Ang kalaagan ni Inday Shello. Unsa man imong masulti ate sa imong pag-eskwela? Sa imong masulti sa imong pag-eskwela, asa may maslin ka ng dili na kapoy? Maghimog homework or mag-inani? Asa may mas dali? So guys, mag-eskwela gyud ta guys kay dili man daay lalim, maningita ang kwarta. Naay nanawag guys, pasensyain na lang guys kay nanawag sa kilid. Yes. Dugay kay gamay among spatula. Yeah guys, okay na, ready na nga to ang atong brownie mix. Okay. So guys, ato din siyang pagpag nato siya, ato siya idukduk. There we are. 1,
So by
2, 3. Okay, then.
So by the way, this is my little brother Nathan. His name is Nathan.
Okay, ate, ato na siyang isunod ato. Kaya ni mo? Okay, hold this one. Okay, anan. Hold. Okay, init ha? Okay. Alalay kita. Okay, 1, 2. Ato siyang i-bake 50 to 45 minutes. So, magluto na rin ta. Magpaabot na lang ta, guys! Dali.
Later on.
Magbalik kami, guys, ha? Magbalik kami ka ng humot ng mga ilok. Guwapa kay ang among Inday Shello. See you, guys! Don't forget
To subscribe and like.
to subscribe.